Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Who wrote the play Dr. Faustus? A. William Shakespeare, B. Ben Jonson, C. Christopher Marlowe, D. John Webster. The right answer is option C. Christopher Marlowe. It is a major Elizabethan tragedy. The play deals with the theme of ambition and damnation. Next question. Which work begins with the line, April is the cruelest month? A. The Waste Land, B. The Hollow Men, C. Four Quartets, D. Ash Wednesday. The right answer is option A. The Waste Land. The poem was written by T.S. Eliot. It is a landmark text of literary modernism. Next question. Which poem begins with the line, Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? A. Sonnet 18, B. Sonnet 116, C. Sonnet 130, D. Sonnet 29. The right answer is option A. Sonnet 18. It is one of Shakespeare's most famous sonnets. The poem praises eternal beauty through verse. Next question. Who wrote The Critic as Artist? A. Oscar Wilde, B. Matthew Arnold, C. T.S. Eliot, D. Walter Pater. The right answer is option A. Oscar Wilde. The essay argues for the independence of criticism. It supports art for art's sake. Next question. Which novel is written by Emily Bronte? A. Jane Eyre, B. Wuthering Heights, C. Agnes Grey, D. Shirley. The right answer is option B. Wuthering Heights. It is her only novel. The book presents intense passion and revenge. Next question. Who used the phrase, dissociation of sensibility? A. Richards, B. F.R. Lewis, C. T.S. Eliot, D. Cleaned Brooks. The right answer is option C. T.S. Eliot. The term describes separation of thought and feeling. Eliot applied it to post-metaphysical poetry. Next question. Which work is written by Ngugi wa Thiong'o? A. Arrow of God, B. Petals of Blood, C. Things Fall Apart, D. No Longer at Ease. The right answer is option B. Petals of Blood. It is an important African post-colonial novel. The book criticizes neo-colonial exploitation. Next question. Who wrote the poem Dover Beach? A. Alfred Tennyson, B. Matthew Arnold, C. Robert Browning, D. Thomas Hardy. The right answer is option B. Matthew Arnold. The poem reflects Victorian doubt and loss of faith. It is a classic lyric poem. Next question. Which critic is associated with cultural materialism? A. Raymond Williams, B. Stephen Greenblatt, C. Edward Said, D. Jacques Derrida. The right answer is option A. Raymond Williams. Cultural materialism studies literature through social history. It is a Marxist critical approach. Next question. Who defined poetry as emotion recollected in tranquility? A. S. T. Coleridge, B. William Wordsworth, C. John Keats, D. P. B. Shelley. The right answer is option B. William Wordsworth. The definition appears in Preface to Lyrical Ballads. It became a key romantic idea. Next question. Which play is written by Harold Pinter? A. Waiting for Godot, B. The Birthday Party, C. Look Back in Anger, D. Endgame. The right answer is option B. The Birthday Party. Pinter is known for comedy of menace. The play presents threat in ordinary situations. Next question. Who wrote The Feminine Mystique? A. Simone de Beauvoir, B. Betty Friedan, C. Elaine Showalter, D. Virginia Woolf. The right answer is option B. Betty Friedan. The book started second-wave feminism. It criticized domestic confinement of women. Next question. Which work is written by Geoffrey Chaucer? A. Piers Plowman, B. The Canterbury Tales, C. Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, D. Confessio Amantis. The right answer is option B. The Canterbury Tales. It is a collection of stories told by pilgrims. Chaucer is called the father of English poetry. Next question. Who wrote the poem Ode on a Grecian Urn? A. William Wordsworth, B. John Keats, C. P. B. Shelley, D. Lord Byron. The right answer is option B. John Keats. The poem explores art and permanence. It ends with the famous line about truth and beauty. Next question. Which critic wrote The Sacred Vote? A. F.R. Lewis, B. I.A. Richards, C. T.S. Eliot, D. Northrop Frye. The right answer is option C. T.S. Eliot. It is a collection of critical essays. The book influenced modern literary criticism. Next question. Who wrote Robinson Crusoe? A. Henry Fielding, B. Samuel Richardson, C. Daniel Defoe, D. Lawrence Sterne. The right answer is option C. Daniel Defoe. It is considered one of the first English novels. The book presents realistic adventure narrative. Next question. Which movement is associated with Allen Ginsberg and Jack Kerouac? A. Beat Generation, B. Harlem Renaissance, C. Imagism, D. Symbolism. The right answer is option A. Beat Generation. The movement rejected conventional values. It celebrated freedom and spontaneity. Next question. Who wrote the Essay of Studies? A. Francis Bacon, B. Charles Lamb, C. Joseph Addison, D. Samuel Johnson. The right answer is option A. Francis Bacon. The essay discusses the uses of reading. Bacon is known for aphoristic prose. Next question. Who wrote The Defense of Poetry? A. John Keats, B. P. Shelley, C. William Wordsworth, D. S. T. Coleridge. The right answer is option B. P. Shelley. Shelley calls poets unacknowledged legislators. The essay glorifies imagination. Next question. Which term is related to Ferdinand de Saussure? A. Deconstruction, B. Binary opposition, C. Dialogism, D. Archetype. The right answer is option B. Binary opposition. Saussure laid the foundation of structuralism. He studied language as a system of science. Question for you. Which concept is associated with Homi K. Bhabha? A. Mimicry, B. Orientalism, C. Dialogism, D. Archetypal criticism. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.